today's video is going to be well, I don't want to say tutorial, more so of a do my hair with me, because I'm not really talking in the video. So yeah, this is going to be a walkthrough of how I did my hair. And if you guys are following me on my Instagram, if you're not, it will be right here for you guys to follow me. Follow your girl. But I asked on my Instagram story what you all wanted to see done to my hair next, and on the poll I had you guys choose between jet black, natural color, middle parts, side parts, 4 bundles, 5 bundles, and straight or curls, and you all went with this. So before we get into the video, let's get into the deets on this hair. So this is 4 bundles of BabyHeir Collections Brazilian Body Wave hair, and this is a matching 5x5 HD closure as well. But I will be showing you guys how I got this jet black color, how I straightened my hair, and also how I installed it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved that, make sure you stay tuned. But lastly, before we get into the video, as promised, I will be doing a giveaway in all of my videos before the end of the year. So if you guys are interested in winning $375 worth of BabyHeir Collection credit, make sure you check out the description box. I will have all of the information listed for you guys to win that credit to shop on BabyHeir Collection's site. $375 where you can buy closures and bundles, mix and match, get one or the other, whatever you want to do. You have $375 to your leisure to get what you want. So that's going to be this video's giveaway, and if you're interested, follow those directions in the description box. Now that that's all out the way, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the video.
So tight you get me. When I feel that tingle down my spine, oh, you know that's when I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. Ooh, ooh, ooh. When I feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. When I feel that tingle down my spine, oh, you know that's when I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive.